first going to start with your slip knot. And insert your hook. You're going to chain 2. 1, 2. Insert your hook into the first chain that you made. Then you're going to pull up 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through 1. Then your yarn over and pull through 2. So that is your first foundation single crochet. To make your next one, you're going to find this V stitch that you just made. You're going to insert your hook, pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, we now have 2 single crochet. Insert your hook into that little V to the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're just going to continue. Insert your hook through the little V, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 1, through 2. Okay, you're just going to continue until you have as many stitches as you need.